Going to taste my thali here, and the thali will have now chili pickle. I have the rice. I have mango pickle. I have prawn suke. I have dangar of the manchechi sungta, and it's going to be very interesting dinner, because you know that 60-70% of my proteins will come from these prawns, and they are from our restaurant zone. It is a great gift of our nature, and a lot of trouble is taken by these people who harvest these salt out, and they sell it, but a lot of efforts are involved, as I have seen myself at the Verem Manus on the Nerul river, which is the last tributary of river Mandavi, and it's really good that you go there, you pick the prawns fresh, and then you bring them home, and the wife gives you all the details, and you know that she prepares two recipes within a few hours very efficiently, very tasty also. She is a very good cook, and you can see all 30-50 videos are there by Melinda Pereira on Goan Authentic Cuisine on YouTube, and she has taken a lot of pains to authenticize and give the real Goan recipes, not unlike what you see in many popular Goan cookbooks. We have tasted, and as a scientist and a nutritional specialist and biochemist, I understand what she has done, and also I understand what these prawns really give us as Goans, and have given us good nutrition, protein-rich nutrition, minerals, iodine, everything that we need for centuries. And today, when I sit for my dinner with all these ingredients, I am very happy to share this video with you, with this value-added information and knowledge, and you should transmit this to more Goans so that they would be encouraged to prepare SUNGTACHE dangar and sukem also, instead of just rushing to some fast food and all that. And it doesn't cost a lot of money. You have to get these prawns, and then you must try to taste them at home using typical Goan ingredients and authentic Goan recipes.